Televic Conference is a reputable company in the world of customized conference equipment, an evolution tailored to meet the diverse needs and aspirations of meeting rooms. So, from international institutions, education, corporate courtrooms, city councils, rental and events, parliaments, and authorities, Televic Conference meet all needs for personalized equipments that have never been more pronounced. The first question: what is the power of endless customization? First, customization is meant to meet very specific conference room sizes, layouts, and requirements. It is also a tailoring design to align with an organization branding. Another question is, what are the benefits of customization? First of all, customization prevents unnecessary spending on features that are irrelevant to an organization needs. And second, it is a long-term cost saving as it avoids spending on generic or one-size-fits-all alternatives and therefore optimize budget allocation. Another question that we might ask is how does Televic stand out with its custom solutions? At Televic, we don't do only big projects, we do small ones as well. So we can do it for 1 unit and we can do it for thousands units. As a unique feature of Televic, we can mix and match different types of units. So it could be one customized unit for the chairman and all delegates get a standard product. We also comply to the architecture's design. It could be the shape, the color, the design. And last but not least, no adjustments whatsoever are needed for the furniture. So it is a cost-saving factor. In the next slides, I will show you some real-world cases of successful implementations.
In order to show the possibilities to all possible customers, including end clients, integrators, and the trusted distributors, we created an online, free accessible configurator, of which I'll show you a quick demo. This is the site of our configurator. We can choose for a delegate or chairman unit or a listen-only unit. Let's go for a discussion unit. First, you are requested to give some dimensions of the unit. So let's say we go for a unit of 34 centimeters by 80 centimeters in height. We need to provide the cutout dimensions, which might be important, as Sofian mentioned, not to have to adjust the furniture. So some margins need to be respected. Let's say 70, and then a built-in depth. Let's also go for 70 millimeters. I now get a grid on which you can already zoom in and see our logos, and I can start adding some functionalities, which you see on the right side of the screen. Suppose I require a speaker and an audio jack. I can just place it. We will most probably need a microphone connector. Microphone button would be useful as well. And there we go. Some additional items. Maybe the badge. If you want, you can also put it vertically. So then I just press it again to have it vertically. And here you see it won't fit. This is due to the cutout dimensions, which I mentioned earlier. You see it's in red. If I put it horizontally again and press it again, there we go. You have sufficient space. There we go. On the next page, you have other possible integrations. In this case, I would like a USB charger and maybe also a socket. We continue. We can choose the type of corners, they're rounded or squared. We can have the hidden screws, the visible ones. The icons you can also adjust. In this case, there's not really anything written down, so it won't make a difference. And we can also choose for another color. Let's say I want it in white. We again continue to the next page. And this is where we make sure that the designs aren't stolen, let's say. So each end client or integrator will need to fill in all information to make sure that we receive the lead and then can transfer it to you, to our distributor. They can, however, make print screens or whatsoever to also directly contact you in case it's necessary. The leads generated through the configurator will thus be transferred, and we invite you all to play with the configurator, test in real life for your specific cases. If there's anything that you can't make through the configurator, please note that we are still available to help you out in case it has to be very specific. Thank you.